Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name. And on this channel, we dive into the stock market to help you make better investment decisions. Today, we're going to take a closer look at MULN Automotive, ticker symbol MULN. So, is MULN stock a buy, hold, or sell right now? Let's break it all down. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Now, let's get into it. MULN is an American electric vehicle company that aims to develop next-gen EV technology, including electric SUVs, crossover vehicles, and cargo vans. They've been in the spotlight recently, especially with their ambitious goals to compete with big names like Tesla and Rivian in the EV space. Over the past year, MULN stock has had its fair share of volatility. We've seen it fluctuate wildly, especially with some of the company's big announcements and partnerships, but also as a result of market sentiment toward the EV sector in general. Recently, MULN has been making headlines because of insert recent news, partnerships, earnings reports, etc. These developments have sparked both optimism and caution among investors. MULN Automotive is still a relatively young company, so like many other startups in the EV space, it's not profitable yet. They're heavily investing in R&D to bring their vehicles to market, which means they're burning through cash. This is always a concern for investors, especially when it comes to long-term sustainability. Their latest earnings report showed brief overview of key financial data like revenue, losses, or cash burn. So, keep this in mind if you're thinking about investing in MULN. Now, every investment comes with its risks, and MULN is no exception. Firstly, competition in the EV market is fierce. They're up against well-established players like Tesla, GM, and Ford, all of which have much deeper pockets. Secondly, there's the production challenge. MULN needs to scale quickly to compete, and that takes a ton of capital. If they can't secure enough funding or fail to deliver on time, we could see the stock take a hit. And of course, overall market sentiment toward growth stocks, especially in the EV sector, can affect MULN. We've seen this recently with a lot of growth stocks being heavily impacted by rising interest rates and concerns about inflation. If they can successfully bring their vehicles to market and hit their production targets, we could see MULN gain some real traction in the EV space. Their partnership with insert partner, if any, could also be a catalyst for future growth. Plus, with the growing demand for EVs, there's definitely room for multiple players in the space and not just the big names like Tesla. MULN has the potential to carve out a niche, especially in the commercial and affordable EV segments. Well, like any speculative stock, it really depends on your risk tolerance. If you're someone who believes in the EV revolution and is willing to hold long-term, MULN could be an exciting, albeit risky, play. But if you're more risk-averse, you might want to wait for more concrete results from the company. As always, this isn't financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. What do you think about MULN Automotive? Is it worth the risk, or are you steering clear? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Fun.